has been an order released by the government which is asking all the healthcare workers post their duties in quarantine right now to evacuate from their accommodations by tomorrow and go home. This quarantine period is highly crucial looking at the number of healthcare workers in all medical facilities all over the world who are contracting the infection despite all precaution. This quarantine and testing regimen ensures that we do not become carriers of this virus even unknowingly. Personally, I'm frightened with this order. I have to go back home to two aged parents with diabetes and chronic lung conditions. The thought of unknowingly even infecting them is just too daunting. By asking us to forsake this quarantine, we are being asked to forsake the safety of our families, of our colleagues in the hostels, of our communities that we go back to.
Lok Nayak Hospital, Delhi, which you know is a dedicated COVID hospital. I've been doing cesarean sections, taking deliveries, and making close contacts with the COVID positive patients while examining them. Previously, we have been allowed the quarantine, but now, as the new order came and government says that the doctors, after the 14 days of services, will not be allowed the quarantine. Is it justified that just because I'm a doctor, I will go home just after 14 days, being the potential carrier of the COVID disease and transmitting that infection to my family members and grandparents?
Quarantine facility is not a luxury the healthcare worker gets. It is basically the prevention to halt the spread of the virus, and the government should reward.
The incubation period of the virus is variable, that is 2 to 14 days, and infection may occur in between these 2 to 14 days, or the person may be symptomatic in between these 2 to 14 days. And we all know that even after taking so much of precautions like N95 mask and wearing personal protective equipments, many healthcare workers become positive, and this is great injustice for the healthcare workers as well as for the society also. We healthcare workers and like doctors, nurses proudly named as Corona warriors, and after this order, soon people of our society rename healthcare worker as Corona carriers, not warriors. So
we have old parents at home which have comorbid conditions, and we are not going to go home after this under any circumstances. We are risking our own life, and we should be given adequate facilities for adequate amount of time so that we are safe and our family is safe.
In guest rooms, it's one of the major steps to stop the community spread from the doctors who remain in contact with COVID-19 positive patients, and they go without any quarantine period or facility to their native places. If like they go back directly and to their native places, they will expose their family, their colleagues and nearby community.
Have to go either to our home where we are at high risk exposure according to their guideline also. So 2.5-year-old, I'm totally a source of infection for sure.
Colony, I share a flat with 3 of my friends and with common kitchen and bathroom. If I get positive, I can easily spread infection to them and other residents of the building. If that happens, who will be responsible?
This video is regarding the recent order by the Health and Family Welfare Department of Delhi, which doesn't allow the doctor to quarantine himself after his duties in a COVID-19 facility. I live in hostel, and if I come back to the hostel, I'll be infecting my fellow doctors who are here, and these people in turn infect the patients who come in contact with them. This defeats the whole purpose of the lockdown and our work, and puts all the work in vain which we have done and which we are doing now to save the people from this deadly infection.
Performing cesarean sections, normal deliveries, and examining the patients very closely with a PPE kit which is not even appropriate, which is not proper, poor quality, with a mask which is not even N95. Okay, this is how I am rewarded for my services by the government. I am not being provided with quarantine facilities. Is this what they want? Is this how I am supposed to be rewarded? This is what I am speaking in behalf of all the healthcare workers, not just me.
Corona warriors are soon to become Corona carriers. We are also humans. We are scared. We are stressed. We are getting infected each day. We have families. We don't want to infect our families. Live. We deserve safe work environment. We deserve quarantine.
To work against all odds, in all resources, at even the risk of our own lives, was our duty. But to risk the lives of our families is a price too much to ask for from us. We do not demand for 5-star facilities and luxuries, just safety and hygiene for us and our families. I urge the government to kindly rethink this decision of theirs and help us help you. Thank you. Jai Hind.